What's up, everybody? This is Dr. Hansen here with Hansen Chiropractic, and today I want to talk about one of the most commonly asked questions on the internet today, which is what type of doctor treats sciatica? Well, first we have to answer the question, what exactly is sciatica? The sciatic nerve is actually a collection of 5 different nerves. You have one on both sides, and each one is composed of 5 different nerves that come off of the lumbar spine and the sacrum, and they come together to form one big nerve which exits out of this opening right here. And when one or more of these nerves gets irritated, it oftentimes produces pain shooting down the leg and sometimes even into the bottom of the foot. We call this sciatica. So the next logical question is, what would cause these nerves to become irritated in the first place? Why would this happen? Most oftentimes it is compromise of the joints of the lumbar spine and the sacrum and pelvis. They become compromised in some way. It can either be from an injury, like a lifting injury, or a car wreck, and it doesn't even have to be a recent one. It can be something in the relatively distant past that has stayed compromised and injured and become worse and worse and started to irritate nerves. Or they can become compromised because the person has a desk job where they're required to sit for long periods of time. Believe it or not, sitting for long periods of time is actually a lot worse for your spine than moving. It seems counterintuitive, but it actually is that way. In both cases, the joints tend to become fixated in one place. So as long as they're fixated, this works in the short run to kind of protect certain structures around, but if they stay fixated in the same place for a long time, the joint tends to wear out. You start to produce a lot of wear and tear and debris and trash, so to speak, within the joint. So now there's more inflammation required to go and clean out this trash. This all results in irritation of the nerves and symptoms of sciatica. So since the end result is that the joints become fixated in place, the obvious solution would be to restore the motion back into these joints. Now, how do we do that? A chiropractor does it with spinal adjustments. We are adjusting the motion back into the segments. Now, you can't do this overnight. It usually takes a series of adjustments. But with the proper frequency and the proper duration, we can restore the motion back into these joints that have lost their normal ability to move, allow them to heal, and thereby alleviate the symptoms of sciatica. So to answer the question, what type of doctor treats sciatica? We do. Chiropractors treat sciatica. If you're suffering from symptoms of sciatica, I'd love to help. I'll leave a link in the description to the video for our booking page. We can get you scheduled, we can get you checked out, and see what it's going to take to get you the relief that you need. And if you're watching this video from somewhere that's far away from Leak City, Texas, I recommend that you seek the services of a chiropractor in your local area to get you the help that you need. Thank you, guys.